Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Twilio to Glide for SMS notifications, beginner guide step by step clearly. To connect Twilio to Glide for SMS notifications, start by signing into your Twilio account. If you don't have an account, create one at twilio.com. Once logged in, navigate to the Twilio console. Here, locate your account ID and auth token. These credentials will be essential for the integration. Now, go to the phone numbers section in the Twilio console. Purchase a new phone number or use an existing one. Make sure this number has SMS capabilities. Next, open Glide and log into your Glide account. Create a new app or select an existing app to work on. In Glide, go to the Settings tab. Look for the Integrations section within the settings. Click on Add Integration and choose Twilio. You will be prompted to enter your Twilio account ID. Input the account ID you copied earlier. Next, enter your Twilio auth token. Paste the auth token from your Twilio console. Now, you need to enter your Twilio phone number. Input the number you purchased or selected earlier. Once all fields are filled, save the integration settings. Now, navigate to the part of your Glide app where you want to send SMS notifications. You can create a new action that triggers an SMS. For this, select the appropriate trigger, such as a button click. In the action settings, choose Send SMS. You will be prompted to input the recipient's phone number. Make sure to format the phone number correctly, including the country code. Next, type in the message you want to send as an SMS. You can include data from your app to personalize the message. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.